Golf November Sierra, Sandown Radio. Are you just visiting this evening or the Spamfield?
100% for Spamfield, Golf November Sierra, and whilst I'm on frequency, I will join downwind runway 05.
Golf November Sierra, roger.
Testing, testing.
Hi, thank you.
Fantastic. I think the squelch is a bit too high. See if that's any better.
Wow.
Is that better? Right, let me turn these bad boys on. Make sure that this is running.
Oh, sorry, I put that on the side there.
Can you reach it for me? Sorry.
That's, yeah, hang on.
I don't want to pull the
Oh, right.
plug out
I'm
there.
sorry.
No, that's okay. Testing, testing. Yeah, that's working fine. So
Oh, this is such a marvelous thing. You don't have to
Yeah.
drag around now, do you?
So Luke wired that in so I don't have to faff around with trying to plug in all the connectors and so makes
Still
it much
have
better.
to make sure it's on and in.
Yeah,
Just saying.
that's true. What do you think of your new
Oh, my
instrument?
word, yeah.
Would you like to set your barometric pressure to 1031?
On there? Oh, there it is. I can't reach it.
Are you too tight on
Too
your
tight.
shoulders? 1031.
Yep.
Got it?
Yeah.
So it should be reading around 400, 400.
470?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah.
So now you've got the new pilot aware as well. So you'll have much more in the way of information about aircraft in the vicinity.
Ah.
So I'll pop that there. Let's just get our radio set up. 109, 480, that's ready to go. And 129, Atria.
Spyview, Golf Charlie, Oscar Charlie Golf, taxiing to the hold of runway 01, Spyview.
Feels like summer now with the heat building and
Yeah.
yeah, you might want to close that. Gets a bit loud otherwise.
Not close, but
Rotate.
yeah, let's do some air.
Pivot. Okay.
Spyview, Golf Charlie, Oscar Charlie Golf, entering runway 04 for departure, Spyview.
So it's a warm day. It might take us a little while to get off the ground.
Spyview, Golf Charlie, Oscar Charlie Golf, taking off runway 04, Spyview.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
There we go. What music are you listening to today?
Same as usual, my chill out music.
What a beautiful view.
It's quite hazy over there, isn't it?
It is.
Approaching waypoint.
Spyview, Golf Charlie, Oscar Charlie Golf, departing the circuit on the downwind leg to the southeast, Spyview.
Ready?
Approaching waypoint. Approaching waypoint. Approaching waypoint. Approaching waypoint.
Do you think we're approaching the waypoint yet?
She's tenacity, isn't it?
Desperate for attention.
It is a woman. I'm allowed to say that. Thank God. You know. You know, I am.
So needy. So it will be a bit buoyant today.
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah. Having said that it's misty, we can see the Needles and all of the Isle of Wight without
Yeah,
an
I
issue.
think, you know what, I was completely out of we didn't turn, and I thought, oh, this is a bit hazy over the water. There wasn't even water there. No. I haven't flown for a long time, clearly.
It's been a while.
I know.
Look who's back, everyone.
Yeah.
What a beautiful view. I know I say it every time.
It's true, though.
Never gets old. I'm surprised there are not more aircraft buzzing around. I thought that today would be an opportunity for everyone to finish work.
Maybe everybody finished at 1 o'clock and got off.
Yep.
Freitag nach 1 macht jeder seins.
I don't know what that means.
No, that means Friday after 1 o'clock everybody does what they want.
Oh, okay. I'm surprised there isn't an English version of that.
It's because it's not just after 1.
True. Do you know what that river is called? We fly over it so much.
Is that the Nada? No, it's not, is it?
So that's Fording Bridge, the river that runs through Fording Bridge. We have all of this navigation gear here, but I still can't tell you what that river's called.
So it's the River Allen.
How's that spelled?
Like Allen.
A-L-L-E-N.
Yeah.
That's a very strange name for a river, though.
Allen.
Allen. What should we call it? Allen?
Allen,
All right,
yeah.
Dave, let's call it Allen. Because normally then everything around that area is named after it, isn't it? Like the River Arun and Arundel.
It's the Avon.
Is it the Avon? That sounds more... That's
Well,
better.
why do they say Allen? So, Fording Bridge. Oh, there's something else in Fording Bridge, that's
okay.
why. There's loads of water. Yes, the Avon.
Oh, that makes more
That makes sense.
Yeah. You must go for a walk along these kind of roads here. Quite nice to be able to let the dog off and there's no one around at all.
I think I have put the wrong call sign in the logbook.
What did you put?
I don't know. I think I might have put GDC. GDC? DG? It was clearly not, so it must be the first time of the year.
That's right. Totally forgotten our call sign.
First I thought, is it Sea Dog? No, that's not our plane. No, oh my God, it was ours. And I thought GDC. GDC sounds about right. But it's our.
12 miles eastbound.
Yeah, it's our handwriting.
Should have gone with that call sign, babe.
Next time, eh?
Much more appropriate. Yeah, next plane.
You heard it, folks.
Huh?
I can have a new plane.
Bournemouth radar.
We like this one,
I
though, don't we?
didn't stipulate the size.
No.
Request that we call Solent 120, decimal 230.
I was watching Giles.
Radar Golf Bravo Delta,
Yeah.
Delta for basic service.
I was watching Giles Fowler's video,
Yeah.
and he was talking about the fact that he used to do paramotoring,
Approaching waypoint.
and he was saying that he always used to look forward to the thermals like you did with the gliding, just to carry you up. But now with powered flight, it's one of those things that you
Yeah.
find a bit frustrating. So now we're heading towards Beaulieu. I'm amazed how quiet it is. I really am. Where is Beaulieu? Can you see it? Can you see it? It should be off our nose.
Yeah.
Says it. Oh,
That's
it's there.
close here.
Yeah. There we go. That says it should be off our nose.
Lyndhurst, isn't it?
Lyndhurst, yeah. Beaulieu's beyond. You can very clearly see Southampton today, and one of the huge yachts.
Yeah.
They normally moored up by that shopping centre, aren't they? And
Yeah.
the cinema and all of that. It won't show up on the camera, it's too far away, but...
I think by now people reach their destination. This
flight 09.
Dinner time-ish.
Helicopters now
So-
on the right-hand side, 2 o'clock by 2 miles eastbound.
Are you listening?
Yeah, I'm listening to you.
No, all right. I mean, I thought you were listening to the lady there.
I've got half an ear.
Okay,
It's the only time when a man can do two things at once.
I know. No, I think everybody reached their destination and enjoys a dinner or barbecue or something, and that's why it's not so busy. And even cars, there's not much, is it?
No, that's what I thought too. Looking down, I mean, there's
Yeah.
a campsite. Nobody's moving. One vehicle. You can see some people playing, and
It's bank holiday weekend. That's how it should be.
perfect, and a sunny one,
Yeah. For a change.
which is very unusual. Our New Zealand counterparts have been Instagramming me, telling me that they're just switching now, obviously because we're coming into summer. They're just leaving and going into
Yeah.
winter. Or their winter's still going to be better than our summer is. So I thought we'll chop across Cows there,
Okay.
and then over Rideway, and then come in from the sea.
Then we will go to Brambridge, is it? We
Yeah,
fly past
around.
that,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's right. I wasn't expecting to be fighting the thermals here. Oh, there's a solar. Oh, there's a big farm
Yeah.
underneath. Yeah.
It's huge. It's like a... What do they grow here?
I have no idea. We can look on the internet and find out. Underneath you, right side.
No. Oh yeah, there he is.
You got him?
Yeah. Way below our wing here.
Can you keep an eye on him if that's
Yeah.
okay?
Going over.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's just tipping his wings, so
Well done. A good system, isn't it?
yeah.
I'm not sure if it's helpful or just unnerving.
Yeah, it's a bit weird, isn't it?
Yeah, because if we hadn't known about it, we probably wouldn't have worried about it. But then,
No, yeah, I know what you mean. No, he's out, he's over land almost.
once we get past Cows, then we can climb.
Sandown Radio, good afternoon. Golf Romeo Mike Alpha Victor is also stolen. Understand 05 left-hand circuit and 1028. Request downwind join for 05. Golf Alpha Victor.
Golf Romeo, Mike Alpha. Victor,
She's back.
Using
There must be a private landing strip there.
Yeah?
Circuit for grass only.
05 left hand and on the grass, and I'll join downwind to 05. Golf Alpha Victor. Golf Victor India downwind.
Hey, there's Steve.
Golf Victor.
Oh no, he's
India,
taking off
Roger.
again. Or he's going away.
Okay.
Sandown Radio, Golf Charlie Oscar Charlie Golf, requesting join.
Golf Charlie Oscar Charlie Golf, Sandown Radio. Pass your message.
EuroFOX, Golf Charlie Oscar Charlie Golf, from Spamfield, currently inbound, just over Cows, 2,300 feet, and requesting join.
Golf Charlie Golf. The runway in use is 05 with a left-hand circuit, grass only, and the QFE is 1028.
Approaching waypoint.
05, left hand, grass only, 1028, Golf Charlie Golf.
Golf Charlie Golf, are you just visiting this evening or are you for Spamfield?
We're going to pop in this evening and then go home for a sleep and then come back tomorrow morning.
Golf Charlie Golf, Roger.
Golf Victor India final.
Golf Victor India, Roger, surface wind is at 060 degrees at 3 knots.
Right, there's some aircraft coming in from the left now.
Traffic.
400 feet below us, there he is, coming underneath your side, just about to cross over the water.
Yeah, I see him.
Two.
You got him?
Two?
Well, maybe a single shadow figure. No, 2 aircraft together. Should be off our nose now.
Yeah. Widening.
I see them. I see them. You'll hardly
Oh,
just
yeah,
see that.
yeah, gotcha.
Damn, this thing's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Golf Alpha Charlie, are you just visiting this evening or for Spamfield?
I can see them clearly now.
Yeah.
They're very close, aren't they?
Alpha Charlie,
Yeah.
Roger.
Fast.
A lot more information than we had before. Do you like it or do you find it overwhelming?
What,
This.
I think it's better to have it than not to. Yeah, it is worrying if it's busy, isn't it?
Yeah.
But,
Lovely being over the water.
yeah.
Oh, it's so good for the soul.
Sandown Radio, Golf Zulu Alpha Victor India, parking information please.
Hey, well done.
Golf Victor India, there should be a
Gonna chop the corner
marshal
off.
out by the concrete strip to pass you.
Actually, that's not a good idea because we'll be right in the path of anyone. And although we've got the conspicuity device, we can't be sure that there isn't someone without one.
Yeah.
Alpha Victor, Roger.
An eye, just in case. I understand rivers so much more since
Yeah.
flying. I didn't understand how areas could flood, but seeing this now,
Yeah.
Golf Charlie, Oscar Charlie Golf, descending dead side over the bay for 05 left hand.
Golf Charlie Golf, Roger.
Do you want me to alter this?
you can do, yeah, 1028.
Golf,
No, you're concentrating, but look on the water there. It's not mesmerizing.
Oh, wow, that is magnificent. Almost like a tint,
Yeah.
orange tint to it.
come all the way to the end of the taxiway.
That's Dan. Dan's lost his voice, he's had laryngitis or something.
He's not good on the radio then.
Hurry up, because we're running out of free abuse.
$1,000. I think we timed that relatively well.
Looking good.
Golf Charlie, Oscar Charlie Golf, overhead crosswind for runway 05 left hand.
Roger.
Golf Charlie, Oscar Charlie Golf, turning downwind from runway 05.
Roger.
Now it's going to be really bumpy on the landing because we've got the wind coming off the sea and over that, so expect it to be a bit
Oscar Delta Victor Bravo is downwind, runway 05, contact 1 ahead.
Golf Victor Bravo, Roger.
Golf Charlie, Oscar Charlie Golf, final runway 05.
Golf Charlie Golf, Roger. Surface wind is at 120 degrees at 5 knots.
Roger, Golf Charlie Golf.
Go see Tracy, she'll give you the key.
Bit jumpy now, babe, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, firm.
Charlie Golf, welcome to Sandown. If you could vacate runway to the right onto the southern taxiway and
Engine
towards
speed.
Rocket, where Marshall will park
Engine
you.
speed.
Vacate right towards the lipstick. Marshall will park me. Thank you. Golf Charlie Golf.
Charlie Golf, are you staying overnight?
We're not, sir. We're just popping in for this evening. We'll be back tomorrow, though.
Okay.
Did you spill your wine? Someone
Sorry?
camping next to the aeroplane, it's quite cool.
Yeah. Not for me, I'd like a taxi to a hotel from here.
Well, Nick from Let's Go Flying said that he originally, when he came, had intended to come.
Yeah.
They'd booked a Premier Inn round the corner, which sounds like a nice idea.
Yeah.
There's Avi.
Golf Victor Bravo, welcome to Sandown. If you could vacate runway to the right onto the southern taxiway and proceed towards the Rocket, and Marshall will park you.
Roger, thank you very much.
Thanks, Dan.
Okay. Right.
Golf Victor Bravo, if you look to your right, Marshall should be at...
Caution.
Yeah, Roger.
Message.